Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Intercom templates for faster customer responses, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Intercom templates for faster customer responses, start by logging into your Intercom account. Once logged in, navigate to the Messages section on the left-hand menu. In the Messages section, locate the Templates option and click on it. This will take you to the Templates page, where you can browse available templates. Using the search bar, you can find specific templates suited to your needs. Click on any template that interests you to view its details. Review the template to ensure it meets your requirements. If you decide to use the template, look for the Download button, usually located at the top right. Click the Download button to save the template to your device. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to customize it according to your customer engagement strategy. Make any necessary adjustments to fit your brand's voice and style. After editing, save the changes to the template file. Now, head back to your Intercom dashboard. Go to the Messages section again and find the option to upload a custom template. Click the Upload button and select the edited template from your device. Follow the prompts to complete the upload process. Once uploaded, your new template will be available for use in customer responses. You can now easily access and utilize the template for quicker customer interactions. Experiment with different templates to find what works best for your audience. By following these steps, you'll streamline your communication process with customers effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.